Well, no, I guess I'm back to being a criminal then, aren't I?
Ka tae ngā morehu e noho ora nei ngā tiriti, te whai whiunga ki te whare herehere.
I think that's a bit over the top, just for needing some support, you know. They should be more supportive, they shouldn't just try and run you down and penalise you.
E whiwhi ana a tāmati John Taylor I tōna oranga I tētahi kokona toa hokomaha hei tautoko I tana hoarangatira me tāra a pepi hou, engari e whakatūma ana ngā whakahau kia neke atu I tēnei puna pūtea.
We still need extra money, like we still can't afford to buy clothes and we still can't afford to buy, you know, any luxury items. Like we live on the cheapest of the cheapest stuff, you know, just to get by, and it's hard. It's real hard.
Ka puta te kaupapa here haua te Pāti Nāhinara kia whakawhiwhia te mana ki ngā prihimana kia neke atu ai ngā tangata I tētahi wāhi mo te whakakuene me te moe Rawakore mo ngā haora rua tekau mā whā. I toro atu mātou Ōtautahi News ki ngā minita e arahi ana I te kaupapa here engari kaore rātou I whakautu. E ai ki te tumuaki o Retail NZ a Carolyn Young, he whakatika wāpoto tēnei.
Sometimes you'll see someone that's just quietly sleeping in a doorway and they're not doing any harm. In other places you'll see 3 or 4 people gathered, they're drinking or they're on drugs, they're creating quite a scene, people defecating in doorways. We understand the need to have an immediate fix for those inflamed situations, but given that it's a 24-hour turnaround, how do we look at it more holistically for a longer period of time?
Hei oe anō, ko te whiunga mo te kore whakatutuki, he rua mano tāra, te mauhere mo ngā marama e toru rānei, kaore e whakai ana ngā ratonga tautoko o Ōtautahi.
If they had money to pay a fine of $2,000, they wouldn't be living on the street. Prison is the most expensive emergency accommodation that you can find. That's not actually going to solve the problem.
Let's look at some good emergency housing for people, or actually invest in building some more long-term permanent social housing. That's our shortage.
Just a bit more support instead of discrimination. You know, if they were more supportive on their side, maybe they'd be a bit more motivated too. They'd be more keen and willing to do other things, you know.
Kua whakae te kāwanatanga ki te panoni I te ture, ko te mahi whaimuri, ko te whakauru I te pire, kātahi ka puta I roto I te tukanga ā ture. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Ōtautahi News.